Alright, come on, let me see the little old lady. Turn around.
It looks like one of those rain bonnets, like when you have curlers or something. Yeah.
I can't see you if you turn around, Bran.
He's tying it.
I'm gonna stop recording.
Back on, it's falling off.
Say hello.
Hello.
Don't come so close.
Ooh.
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 Okay, say goodbye.
You complete me.
Give me an Austin Powers quote.
Fire the laser. If it's Uncle Sam.
Oh God. Oh, lovely. Oh, whoopee.
Bobby.
Like old lady.
Like an old lady. Bobby.
Go old lady. Go old lady.
Okay, say goodbye, guys.
No, 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 no.
Brandon, say goodbye.
Bye.
Pop.
Goodbye.
Listen to the pop.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Wave.